Hello YouTube, it's Mastercon2500 here, and I just wanted to show you the pendulum / seal of oricalcos OTK ruling. So I'm about to show you now how it works. Alright, one moment. Alright, so here we have our Stargazer Magician, Time Gazer Magician, and here's our Seal of Oricalcos. Right, the two things about these three cards is that pendulums counter spell cards while being in the pendulum zone, or you can normal summon them as monsters, alright, in any position needed be. Also, the Seal of Oricalcos says that you cannot special summon monsters from your extra deck, and all special summon monsters on your side of the field will be destroyed. But what you can do is if it's on your turn and you have the seal and these three cards in your hand, you play your Seal of Oricalcos first, wait one turn, play the pendulums in both their play both of these pendulums in their scales. Then pendulum summon any amount of monsters from your hand or your extra deck to the field, and they will gain 500 attack points. The one with the lowest attack cannot be targeted for attacks because of the seal's effects and etc. So the seal basically protects the monsters you special summon, and plus it's only the turn that the seal is activated is when all special summon monsters on your side of the field will be destroyed. But if you wait the turn after it's activated, all your special summon monsters can be special summoned with the pendulums, and they will gain 500 attack points and etc. So they'll be in the pendulum zones waiting. And they also counter spells, so the Seal of Oricalcos cannot destroy them. Even if they did not counter spells, the pendulums would also basically count as an activation, because they counter spells, so they can count as an activation, meaning to set up the scale for the pendulums. So set up the scale here. Here's my two pendulums. They'll set up the scale. And then obviously, the seal can't destroy them because the pendulums are the monsters that are setting up the scale. They're not the special summon monsters. But with the pendulums, the monsters that you summon with them will be destroyed by the Seal of Oricalcos if you play them. If you play them just before the Seal of Oricalcos is activated. This must be very confusing, but it works. The Seal of Oricalcos and the Magicians work well together. And all your monsters gain 500 attack, etc, etc. So yeah, that was my Pendulum Seal of Oricalcos OTK revising the Pendulum Seal of Oricalcos OTK. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.